Well, hi everyone. I am going to do a gel polish design today. I want these for my next set to wear. So I'm going to be using Madam Glam. Let's put them forward a little bit. This is Madam Glam's, and this one's called My Heart Goes Boom. And it's a beautiful colour. Really, really nice. I like that. And also I'll be using their glitter as well, sort of to match that. And this one's called Sparkling Hearts. So that's that one. And there's always loads, as you can see, loads of glitter inside there. I'll also be using, for the nail bed, as I've used before because I think it's fantastic, this is from Neo, and this is Morning Glory. And because it is from their nail bed range, and as you can see it's more runny, and 2 thin layers of that is beautiful. I really like that because I do like to do a nail bed on a false nail. I'll be using top coat. I've got prep and wipe inside there, and that is my false nail, as you've most likely seen before, because I absolutely love these because they're ultra thin. So I'll be using a very fine brush as well. You can see that it is very, very fine, and I think that's it with a bit of decoration, I suppose. So I'll see you in a bit. There is just a couple of things before I actually start. I use a little polythene bag that's the main colour of the nail, and I'm going to do some like lines. So because it's not that thick, I will actually, after a couple of lines, I will actually flash cure so that it doesn't run, and I'll do the same with the next two, flash cure, until you've finished your design, and then just cure it again for 60 seconds. As for this, I do one thin coat, 30 seconds cure, second coat, then I do for 60 seconds. It'll be the same with the main colour on there. So I think that's it. I'll see you in a bit. So there are the finished nails, and as you say, these look more of a nail bed. You can put any decoration you want on there, and it does look different with having the different design on there. And as you can see, that's another set, and I've worn those before. So easy, take them off, put them away, leave them in here, and they're all ready to go. Well, I think that's about it that I've done. I did actually put the decoration on with clear acrylic so that it won't come off. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching, and hopefully see you in my next. Bye!